Hello, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Inflavor with Shamika. Today I have a breakfast recipe for you. Moong Dal Dosas is a healthier version of your regular dosas. These are almost instant dosas as they don't need any fermentation. Just soak the moong dal and rice overnight and you are ready to prepare your dosas your next morning. Let's begin. Let's have a look at the ingredients. 2 cups split moong dal soaked overnight, 1 cup rice soaked overnight, 1 cup coriander, 1 small onion chopped, salt as per your taste, 3 to 4 green chillies and 1 inch of ginger. Let's start by mixing soaked rice into the moong dal. Just mix everything well. Next we'll take a mixer jar and add all the ingredients into the mixer jar. In goes the onion, coriander leaves, green chillies, ginger, some salt, and our rice and moong dal mixture. We'll add this mixture in batches to the mixer jar so that it's easier to blend. Here our batter is ready. We'll need a spreadable consistency of the batter. You can check the salt at this moment. Now let's prepare the dosas. Just take some batter and pour it in the center of the pan, spreading it to make a dosa like this. You'll get a nice round dosa if you do it like this. Spread some oil on it and let it cook from one side. When your dosa is half cooked, just take a spatula and spread the batter like this. This will help the dosa to get thin and crispy. Now let's check if the dosa is cooked from below. It should easily come off from the pan like this. Now this is done from one side. Now let's flip it. Normally dosas are not flipped, but I prefer to flip it and cook from the other side as well. Allow it to cook from this side as well for a few seconds. I think our dosa is done now. Let's remove it on a plate and it's ready to be served.